Hello, I'm Matthew McLean and I'm the Choate Arts Department Head. I'd like to tell you more about the Arts Concentration Signature Program. The Arts Concentration Program gives students with an exceptional interest in visual and performing arts the opportunity to develop their talents further through a deeply arts-infused and rigorous academic program. A significant portion of each week is devoted to practice, rehearsal, and studio work. Students create their own schedules in music, theater, visual art, and dance.
The Choate Dance program offers students an inclusive and supportive environment to explore different dance forms and to participate in the creation of original dances. We believe everyone can and does dance, and that all movement has the possibility, the potential to transform one's experience of life.
With courses ranging from music theory and history to production and performance, our engaging curriculum allows you to explore all of your curiosities. The music program has 6 major ensembles as well as small chamber groups that perform at the end of every term. With concerts and recitals each term and the potential to perform a solo recital, there are many opportunities for performance both on and off campus, which allows for tremendous musical growth.
With a wide variety of classes and many performance opportunities each academic year, students are challenged, valued, and supported by dedicated faculty who share their passion for theater and the arts. I'm Dana Diriu, and I am part of the theater faculty at Choate Rosemary Hall, and I teach a variety of classes including design, acting classes, directing classes, and I also am in charge of the costume and prop shop. The program explores different aspects of theater and what they can offer an audience, resulting in rich and varied performances and storytelling.
I hate to break it to you guys, but she knows where we live. If she wanted a ticket home, she'd have.
Students are encouraged to develop a respect and love for theatrical technique while empowering them to discover their unique artistic voice and process.
Here at Choate, students have access to a variety of mediums. They include jewelry and small metals, ceramics, drawing, painting, filmmaking, and mixed media. My name is Aaron Sober. I'm the program head in the visual arts here at Choate. In the visual arts, we work with students to both find and develop their creative spirit and energy while exploring a variety of medium. We believe in doing, making, working with our hands rather than a more lecture-based approach. You can expect to be making art every day in art classes here at Choate.
If you are looking to immerse yourself in an arts education, Choate's Arts Concentration Signature Program may be the pathway for you. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out.